Everyone is using Antigravity wrong. They open it up, ask random questions, copy paste whatever it gives, and then wonder why your code is a mess. I did this too for weeks and it was really frustrating. But after building 10 plus projects using Antigravity, not demos, I figured out a workflow that actually works, a system, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you have the exact system I use, and to prove it works, we're going to build this, a Markdown-to-Slideshow Converter from scratch. Let's go. Before we build, you need to understand why most people fail with Antigravity. Most people just chat, ask questions, get code, paste it, ask another question, get more code, then repeat. The problem? No structure, no plan. You end up with Frankenstein code that nobody can maintain, including you. And the worst part is, Antigravity is insanely powerful. That's why I developed the VibeCode Protocol, a structured way to work with the AI. 3 phrases: Genesis, design, build. But first, let me show you how to set it up. Step 1, open Antigravity. Press Ctrl L to open the agent panel if it's not already open. Click on these 3 dots here. Click on customizations, workflows, then create a new one under global. Type anything you want. Right click on that, click on show file location, delete that random file, drop in the workflow files. I'll link these below the like button, completely free. Now, when I type / in chat, I see all my workflows. That's the setup. Let's use it. The single biggest mistake: writing code before you have a plan. I'm going to build the Markdown-to-Slideshow Converter, but I'm not going to ask for code yet. I'm going to run Genesis. I'm going to tell it, build an app where I paste Markdown and it turns into a swipeable slide deck. Watch what happens.
Now we're going to select Opus 4.5, mostly because I find that it's very good at planning. And all this is available for you for free in Antigravity, depending on what plan you're on. So you're good to go. So you can see it's asking us some questions. This is mostly because we haven't given it a lot of information. Pro tip here, for example, if I'm going to pull up like a professional project that I've worked on in the past, I usually spend a lot of time feeding in a lot of information. For example, inside the idea, I dump this. You see this is a full voiceover transcribe of what my plan is for this project. So by the time I'm coming back into Antigravity, I don't really need to spend that much time explaining all this. So now I've answered every single question that he asked me and I just hit enter. So I'm just going to accept this.